Hello, this is Miss Lynn, and if you're watching this video, it is a summer activity for 4 to 5-year-olds regarding math. So one of the things that 4 to 5-year-olds need to learn how to do is to begin to measure and count things. So a good summertime activity is for them to collect things around the house that are memorable to them regarding summer. So I've picked out a few things. I picked out a kickboard, goggles, after sun, a shell, a flag. One of the things you can do that's really easy regarding counting and measuring is using your 1-inch paper clips that you may or may not have around the house. But it's very easy to have your child understand the concept of measurement using paper clips. Now what you want to do is make sure your paper clips are end to end so that you get the most accurate count. I have placed paper clips in front of all of these things to count out inches for each of these items. So for the kickboard, for instance, I counted 12 paper clips, and you can count them. You can put them end to end and count them with your child. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a good way to get them going. And an inch-long paper clip gives them that visual that they need to understand what an inch is. An inch is a unit of measurement. Make sure you explain that to them. Then, after you do this for a little while, maybe a couple weeks, if you like, you can introduce true measurement. I picked up this at one of the discount stores, and it's a tape measure. Very easy to read, very easy to use. Then you can get into more accurate units of measurement and really count what an inch is and measure more precisely each item. The most important thing for this activity is to make sure your child writes down the numbers and that you discuss with your child which item is the longest, which item is the shortest, and have fun counting, writing, and doing all kinds of measuring around the house and around the yard for this summer. If you want one more activity that's a little more complicated towards the end of the summer, you could take your tape measure and measure the circumference of a ball. That way your child will understand how to measure something that is not a straight edge. Thank you very much for listening today, and have a great time working with your 4 to 5-year-olds this summer.